If you want your voiceovers to sound more natural, expressive and human, then adding emotion in ElevenLabs is one of the easiest ways to level up your audio. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add emotion to a voiceover in ElevenLabs using the advanced models, including 11D3, so you can make your script sound excited, sad, angry, whispery, or even more reactive with things like laughs and gasps. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI voice and content creation tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ElevenLabs and make sure you are using one of the advanced models that supports emotional cues. This is important because not every model will respond the same way. For the best results, choose a model like 11-3, since it allows you to embed emotional direction directly inside your script. Once you're in the text box, think of the emotion you want the voice to carry. For example, if you want the voice to sound enthusiastic, you can add an instruction like, before the line. If you want a more serious or emotional delivery, you might use. The key is to type the emotion or reaction inside square brackets, right before the text you want spoken. So instead of just pasting plain script, you're guiding the voice with a simple emotional tag. For example, you could write, "This is amazing news," or "We need to be quiet," or even, "I can't believe that actually worked." You can also use reaction-based cues to make the delivery feel more natural and expressive. For instance, works well when you want frustration, tiredness, or relief. Is it great when something surprising happens? And is useful for secrets, suspense, or dramatic storytelling. If you're writing a longer script, you can mix different cues throughout the text to create a more dynamic performance. Just place the emotion tag before the specific sentence or phrase that should be delivered that way. That way, the voice changes tone as the script progresses, instead of sounding flat from beginning to end. A good tip is to keep your emotional tags simple and purposeful. Don't overload every sentence with a cue. Instead, use them where the emotion really matters. That will help the voice sound more believable and polished. You can test different versions and listen back to see which one gives you the best result. If the first result isn't exactly what you want, try adjusting the wording around the cue. Sometimes changing just a few words after can improve the delivery a lot. The model responds not just to the tag, but also to the context of the sentence itself. So, the basic formula is simple. Choose your emotion, put it inside square brackets, place it before the line, and generate the audio. With just that small change, you can turn a flat read into something much more expressive and engaging. And that's how to add emotion to a voiceover in ElevenLabs. If you found this useful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.